Good morning, everyone. I am Shivam Singh, and I welcome you all in Walk the Talk. So, the big question of the day is remote work making us productive or isolated? We all love working from our sofas in our home, being comfortable, but at the same time, we also miss the energy, the people around us. Post COVID 19, we all came across this new thing, work from home. Some enjoyed it, some felt left out. Today we have with us Prashansha Pant. I welcome you in the show.
Thank you, Shivam.
So the question is remote work making us productive or isolated? What's your thought on this?
See, Shivam, if we talk about the remote work making us productive or isolated, I will stick to both the points that yes, it is making us productive as well as isolated productive. Why? Because we have ample time in our hand
Yes.
so that we can invest our energy into the productivity or into the skills where we want to grow ahead, but isolated on the sense that we don't have now the corporate life or the connection with our employees anymore because the remote work makes us isolated inside the four chambers of our home, and we are not able to grow through the network and make more connections. So in that particular aspect it is making us isolated for sure, yes.
Definitely, but there are talks about it. Like, is hybrid working model is that going to help it? Because after COVID-19, this is a trend in today's date. That also this is a high question. Like some people want to work from home, some people want to work from office, and they can't coordinate with each other. So what's your take on that? Is hybrid model is the answer? Like 3 days a week or 4 days a week, is that the answer?
As far as I have seen the corporate world and what kind of things happen in the corporate world, I
Yes.
would go ahead with the factor that yes, hybrid working is the basic answer or the solution to the problem. Why? Because as you mentioned that many of the people are not able to coordinate just because some people want the remote work, some people want in office work, some people want in site work, some people prefer more of off site. Why? Because again the productivity comes out into
Yes,
this
yes.
particular basis. When we think about the hybrid model, it is catering to all the sectors. That is the people who want to go ahead with the in site work and also off site work. Okay, so through this what happens is that those people who eventually wanted to work from home or found work from home more productive
Yes.
have the time to work from home, and those people who found that working on site is more productive also gets the chance to interact with the employees.
Definitely.
So in this particular basis what happens is the person who is from the work from home also is getting a chance in, let's say, twice a week to interact with the employees, and the person who was very interested to do the on-site job also getting the chance to experience the work from home life basis. So I think that hybrid work is for sure a very interesting aspect onto this particular aspect.
Okay, but definitely agree with your answer.
Hmm.
But I think, for example, there are developers in such some fields, and they prefer to be on their home and work day night as they wish. They prefer that, so they couldn't come to office every day. But at the same time, there are managers, tech leads. They want the team on office. Like be it hybrid model also, but it's a thing between developers that they want to be in their bed all day every day.
Yeah.
That creates some hassle for them. And what's your thought on that? Should the IT driven specific companies, what should they do?
See, what the thing is that you've heard about the culture in Google. People willingly want to go ahead and work in Google, and also it is
Yes.
catering to the tech basis, as
Yes,
you
yes,
mentioned.
definitely.
Why? Because they've created the environment into the office as such that any web developer can sit anywhere the way they like, the
Okay.
way they want to sit, the way they want to dress, and also be guided by the managers or the people who are working as a head above them. Why is Google more preferred? Because they have removed the foundation, and I think that work from home is more preferred by the tech background individual. Why? Because they don't want to work in a foundation. It is so much so that they have they really want to work in an environment where they can be very comfortable, because you are sitting in front of the screen for 24 into 7. You eventually want to work ahead, and you want to go ahead in a very peaceful environment, or you want to be in a very comfortable clothing. You get irritated.
Yes.
I will get irritated.
Yes,
You
yes,
will get
definitely.
irritated onto this basis. So what happened in that particular aspect is that it is very important in hybrid working as well, to cater to the individual's emotional aspect and to cater to the individual's needs as well. On despite and aside the needs of their fulfillment of the money aspect, you have to look forward how comfortable or what individual is going through the emotional aspect as well. And I think it, as soon as people will develop it, this will go great in hybrid working.
Thank you so much, Prashansa,
Thank
for being such a lovely guest and
Thank you so much.
throwing some light on this topic.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.